How to extract the audio from any video using the VLC Media Player. So hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can convert any MP4 video to an MP3 audio file using the VLC Media Player. So this is a really good step if you want to avoid any online conversion tools or also avoid paying. So this includes all the steps that are very basic and are also free of cost. So all you need to do is open up your VLC Media Player. So let's open our VLC Media Player in my Windows. Then, once your VLC Media Player is successfully launched, you need to click onto this Media tab at the top left. Once you click onto the Media tab, you will see this option of Convert/Save, or alternatively, you can also choose to press the Ctrl and R key combinations. Then once you click over it, this particular dialog box will open up. Now the next thing you need to do is click onto this add button and then choose any particular video from which you want to extract the file. So for example, let's say this video. It is one of the earlier videos that I have uploaded in the channel. So as you can see, I have successfully added the video in the dialog box. Then the next thing you need to do is click onto this Convert/Save button. Once you click over it, you can see this interface. Now here, you don't need to touch any of the settings. Just make sure that just besides the profile, it is selected to audio MP3. Once you have check that the audio MP3 has appeared here, the next thing you need to do is simply select a destination folder. So to select a destination folder where the new MP3 file will appear, you need to click onto this browse button right here and then choose any folder. So for example, let's say desktop folder. And also if you want to rename your file, you can do so from this dialog box only. So let us rename it so we can find it easily. So for example, let me rename it to, and then once I have renamed it, I need to check whether the extension is in MP3 format, and here I can verify that the extension is indeed in MP3 format. So once you have renamed it and you have confirmed the destination folder, you need to click onto the save button right here. And once you will do this, you can see that the changes have been reflected in the dialog box as well. So once everything has been set up, you need to click onto this start button to start the conversion. And here you can see that this blue bar represents the conversion, and once that will be done, you can minimize or close your VLC Media Player and using your file manager navigate to the directory where you have saved this. So if I go to my desktop, you can see this particular file which name is audio. So let us try to play this. And here you can see that this particular video has been now successfully converted into an MP3 format using our VLC Media Player. So that's all for this video. If this video was any help to you, do make sure to drop a like. Do tell us in the comments if you have any queries or suggestions, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.